Hey, Tom. Wake up.
Just 3 more minutes.
No more minutes. Get up now.
Mom, I can't. We have got a lot to do today.
You can't? Why?
I have jet lag.
Jet lag?
My body thinks it is 4 in the morning. It is totally confused.
Tom, we only got back yesterday from the Mexica. There is just a 1-hour time difference.
1 hour still counts as jet lag.
No, it does not. That is just you being lazy.
I'm not lazy.
All right, all right. Everyone downstairs. Now.
Fine.
After breakfast, we are cleaning the house.
Cleaning? We just got back.
Exactly. The place is a disaster. A disaster means very dirty.
I can help.
Thanks. Megan, vacuum the living room.
The entire living room?
Yes. And Tom, you are doing the dishes.
Wait, I can't.
You can't wash dishes.
I have homework. A big assignment.
Homework? What homework?
A project. A really important one.
All right. Study first, then. Homework matters.
What? That is not fair.
Megan, vacuuming is not hard.
But Tom is not doing anything.
I am doing something. I am doing homework.
I will remember that.
Homework can wait. I have got all day.
Hey, Tom. Are you actually working on homework?
Yes, go away.
I do not believe you.
I am reading. Very important reading.
Sure you are. What are you reading?
History. About the Mexica.
The Mexica? Really?
Yes. It is for my project.
Okay then. What year did Cortez discover the Mexica?
1519.
Lucky guess.
See? I am studying.
You had better be.
Stop banging on my door. I am.
Liar.
Megan is so annoying.
Tom, may I come in?
Yeah.
I brought you a snack.
Thanks, Mom. I am studying really hard.
Tom, your book is upside down.
Oh, I was just testing myself.
Your room is messy too. What is this?
What is what?
This.
Oh, that is just trash.
It does not look like trash. Project Vacation do?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Tom! What is this?
It is my homework.
This is your homework?
My teacher gave it to us before vacation. We have to make a presentation board.
A presentation board. What is that?
It is a big board, like a poster, where we present information. About our vacation, where we went, what we did.
Okay. When is it due? Due means the time you must give it to the teacher.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow morning.
School starts tomorrow. I have to bring it.
All right. Okay. We can do this. What do you need?
A big board, photos from our trip, markers, glue, but the instructions are ruined. Ruined means destroyed.
Do not worry. We will figure it out. Figure it out means to find a solution. Mike, we have got a problem.
What kind of problem?
Tom's homework. It is due tomorrow.
Okay, so he works on it tonight.
He cannot. Look at this.
What happened to it?
It went through the washing machine.
Can we read any of it?
A little. I can see the word project and vacation and presentation board. Yes, a presentation board is like a big poster.
So, Tom needs to make a poster about our vacation.
By tomorrow morning.
What is happening?
Tom's homework is ruined.
It is not my fault. Mom washed my pants.
You should check your pockets. Check means look inside.
Enough, both of you.
Let's not argue. We need to work together.
I need a big board, photos, and some text about our trip.
Photos. We took plenty.
Yes, they are on your phone. I can print them at home.
Do we have ink? Ink is the liquid inside the printer.
Of course we do.
Okay. Mike, print the photos. Tom, write about the trip. Megan, help me look for supplies.
Where do we get a board?
I do think there is one in the garage. Let us print the photos first.
This is going to be a long night.
Okay. Let us choose the best pictures.
That beach one.
Good choice. What about this one?
Yes. And the one with the palm trees.
Okay. Beach, palm trees, and this family photo.
That is 3. Do we need more?
Maybe 5 in total. How about this sunset?
Perfect.
All right. I will print them.
Dad, what is that sound?
No ink.
No ink. What does that mean?
The printer needs ink. Ink is the liquid that creates the colors on paper.
So it is empty.
Empty means nothing inside.
Can we buy more?
Yes, but we have to go now. The store closes soon.
Now? But it is already 8:30 p.m.
The market closes at 9. We have 30 minutes.
Market? We are going to market?
No ink. We need to buy some.
Everyone in the car.
Okay,
We are going out. Now? Tom's project is due tomorrow. We need supplies. Supplies means the things we need.
Can I stay home?
No. We are all going together.
Fine. but I am putting my sweater on.
Your sweater? Why?
I do not want to run into anyone.
Who would we see?
You never know. Let us just go.
Megan, is that you?
Hi, Mrs. Wilson.
I have not seen you all month. How was your vacation?
Good.
Just good? Where did you go?
The Mexica.
Oh, wonderful! Did you swim? Did you see dolphins? What was the food like? Did you...
Mrs. Wilson, I am kind of in a hurry. A hurry means going fast.
A hurry? But I want to hear about your trip.
Sorry, Mrs. Wilson. I am sick.
Sick? Oh dear. What is wrong?
I have a skin infection.
Oh my! Is it contagious?
It spreads very easily.
Oh. Well, feel better, dear.
Thanks. Bye.
Did Megan just...
What she said, she has an infection.
She does not have an infection.
I know. She just wanted Mrs. Wilson to leave.
That is actually pretty smart. Do not get any ideas.
Let us go inside. We need the ink cartridge.
A cartridge is a small container filled with ink.
Which one do we need?
The same number as this one. HP 45.
What does HP mean?
That is the brand, the company that made the printer. There are so many numbers. 42, 43, 44, 45. We need 45.
Can you find it? Is that it? On the top shelf?
Yes, good eye.
Why are there two kinds? Black and color.
Black is for words, color is for pictures. We need color for the photos.
This one?
Perfect. Let us find Mum and Megan.
We need a presentation board. It is also called a foam board.
Foam board? Why foam?
Because there is foam inside it. Feel it. It is light but strong.
Oh, it is soft in the middle.
Should we get the small one or the big one?
How big does Tom's project need to be?
I do not know. The instructions were ruined.
Get the big one.
Better too big than too small.
Good idea. This one is 34 by 46 inches.
How big is that?
Big. Big enough for photos and writing.
White or black?
White. The photos will stand out better.
Okay, let us go find Dad.
Your total is $67.15.
67? Dad, why is it so expensive? Expensive means it costs a lot of money.
The ink cartridge is $47. A cartridge is a small container.
$30 for ink?
Yes. And the board is $20.
I'm sorry, Dad.
It is okay. Let us just finish your project.
Will you pay with card or cash?
Card, please. 1.
Dad, Police!
Mike, there is a police car behind us.
I see it.
What did you do?
I did not do anything.
You were driving fast.
Not that fast.
Are we going to jail? Jail means prison.
We are not going to jail, Tom.
Mike, pull over. If you're curious what happened next and how our story ended, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't miss part 2 of the video.